Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video, we will know how to claim or buy a domain for your website in Hostinger. Here we have our fresh new Hostinger account. We have logged in to the H panel of Hostinger. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that, we will simply click on domains. Here we have three options: domain portfolio, get a new domain, transfers. If you have any purchased domain from any other domain provider and you want to transfer it to the Hostinger, then you can transfer it from here. So for now we will focus on for buying a new domain or for claim a free domain, because we have a plan in which Hostinger provided us or offered us a free domain. So for that we will claim our free domain. So click on claim domain. I will type the name. I have this domain name. I will firstly check the availability of this domain. This domain is already registered. Someone has already occupied this domain. We will try with another domain. Now we will try with this domain, Logic Track. Click on check availability. This domain is also registered by someone else. We will try another one. This one will be our final domain name. Here you can see this domain is available. Now we will claim this domain. Here you can see they are asking some details for registering this domain. I will choose my country and some other options you can choose by your own. I will click on finish registration, click on register. Here they are registering our domain. So let's wait. Here our domain has been registered. Now we can use it as per our need or requirement. So they are offering some plan. I will skip these plans. So guys, for now let's end this video here. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.